In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe from Todoist emails. We'll walk through exactly where to click in your Todoist account so you can manage the types of emails you receive or update the address those emails are sent to. By the end, you'll know how to confidently control your notification emails directly from your account settings. First, open Todoist in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. On the main screen, usually the Today view, look toward the top of the page for your profile area. This is typically in the upper corner and may appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a small avatar icon. Click on that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where Todoist keeps all your personal settings and preferences, including email and notification options. When the profile menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will take you to the main settings panel for your Todoist account. Take a moment to let it load because everything related to your account configuration, notifications, and emails will be managed from here. Within the settings panel, you'll see several tabs or sections along the side or across the top depending on your layout. Find the one labeled Notifications and click on it. This section controls how Todoist contacts you, including which activities trigger an email. Here, you can review all the notification options available. You may see toggles or checkboxes for things like task reminders, activity updates, marketing emails, or product announcements, depending on your account and features. Carefully go through each email-related option and adjust it to match your preferences. For example, you might turn off certain emails you no longer want to receive, or keep on only the essential ones that help you stay productive. Changes here usually save automatically, but if you see a Save or Apply button, make sure to click it before leaving the page. Next, if you want to update the email address itself, go to the Account section within Settings. This is where your core account details live. Look for the email field and update it to the address where you'd like to receive your Todoist emails. After editing, confirm or save your changes. In some cases, Todoist might send a confirmation link to the new address, so be sure to check your inbox and verify if needed. And that's it. By using your profile menu, the settings page, the notifications tab, and the account section, you've now learned how to manage and subscribe from Todoist emails in a way that works best for you.